channel. I know it's been a long time since I done posted a video, y'all, but it's just been a lot going on and I really haven't been knowing like what kind of content to post because I don't know what y'all like. Back today is January 2nd. I hope everybody is having an awesome new year. Merry Christmas. Since I didn't get a chance to post a video before Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, all of that good jazz. Today's video is how I package up my orders. But before I get into the video, I just want to say, so if you could do me a favor and drop down in the comment section and just give me some topics that you guys wouldn't mind me talking about, because I do like doing YouTube. I mean, I don't have nothing else to do, so this is how I show my personality. And I just been having a hard time, you know, getting content out because I don't know what to do. I want everything to be authentic. I don't want to have to force anything. For today, like I said, I'm packaging up an order so I can get it sent out, and I'm going to show y'all how I do it. Now, I've been trying to do this video for the longest. I've been trying to get a packaging video up for so long, but every time I record, the quality isn't up to my liking, or it's just a lot going on in my background, and I don't really like all that. I like everything to be structured, organized, and professional. Let's get into this video because I want to show y'all what I'm doing. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so if you are still tuned into the video, then we are about to get started. So what you see right here is, I call this my branding paperwork. So basically what this is my newsletter paper, and then up under here I don't want to show the address, but up under here I have the shipping list, where the packaging slip is my thank you note that goes inside of my small little thank you card. And this is what people will see when they go inside of their package and they want to know who it's from or some more info about what's going on. And sometimes, even depending on how I'm feeling, I might insert a small promo code in one of my branding papers just to see if people are actually reading it, so that when they check out, if they decide they want to buy from me again, they can use that promo code. So that's my branding paperwork. I'm going to push that to the side for now. And then I have a small stapler, scissors. Right here, I mean, I know it's almost empty, but these are my logo stickers that I use to go on my bags and stuff like that. And then I have some tissue paper to stuff the bag with, just for extra protection and to make it look really cute. I also have, oh you guys, I just stabbed myself in the finger with a stapler. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Oh, it hurts so bad. Anyway, I'm a G. I got my fragile stickers, and these are so very important, especially right now because you know the post office is kind of bagged up, and I know y'all been seeing those memes on social media of the different packages just thrown all any kind of way. So hopefully by me putting a fragile sticker on the package, you know, they'll treat it with a little bit more care and love, because I want everything to get to my customers in a one piece. I do not need those problems. So yeah, now that I done showed y'all all of, oh, let me show y'all the envelopes so y'all can know what kind of envelope to get. I use these kind of envelopes, the padded kind, and like they said, if it fits, it will ship. So if you guys have anything y'all trying to ship off, I prefer y'all do these. And it's also free. If you go on the USPS website, they do ship you guys free materials. That's where I also got the fragile stickers from. It was all free. I didn't have to pay for shipping or anything. I just went on there, put in my quantity of what I wanted, and they shipped it right to my doorstep. So that's some game for y'all. Y'all should partake in that. So I showed y'all all of my things that I use to pack with. So now let's actually get started packing. Okay, so let's get started. So today's package is kind of special and near and dear to my heart. It's for my good sis OG Oracle. Now if you guys are interested in tarot readings and all that stuff, I highly recommend that you guys check out her Instagram page. Y'all can find her podcast for the weeklies and stuff like that, weekly tarot readings, at Thrifty Tarot. I'll make sure that I post her information in the description box if I cannot fit it on the screen, but if I can fit it on the screen, I would definitely make sure I post it on the screen for you guys so that y'all can locate her and show her some love and some support. Again, her podcast for the tarot readings is Thrifty Tarot, but if you guys want a more intimate and personal kind of connection with her, I suggest you following her main Instagram at og.oracle. I make sure I post that as well, and she's a really good person, really sweet, really kind. She's honest, and you guys can depend on her. She's not telling you no mumbo jumbo. She's not taking y'all money or any of that. So, and this isn't a paid promotion at all. This is speaking from experience, because I myself have gotten a reading from her, multiple readings. So like I said, if that's something that y'all used to, go check her out, please. And when you do, tell her that Jasmine sent you. So yeah, this package is going to her today. And let's get started. So like I said, with my branding paperwork, I have my newsletter paper, and what I'm going to do is staple it to my shipping list. And I do this because not only do I want people to sign up for my newsletter, I'm also keeping the shipping list very discreet. And I do this for numerous reasons, because you know, you don't want your address and stuff like that to be showing, and I just try to keep things as confidential as possible. So now that I have stapled those two sheets together like so, I'm going to put that to the side, and then I'm going to get started on my thank you card. Now I got these thank you cards from Dollar Tree. If you guys want to see a video on how I find cheap shipping products, then you know, let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely do that for y'all. But yeah, I got these from Dollar Tree, and it's nothing on the inside. You will put what you want on the inside. That's why I end up typing up my little notes that I'm gonna put on the inside. And so yeah, don't get it together just like that. Put this to the side for trash. And then what I'm going to do is take some tape and just tape it to the middle like that. And the card says, "Thank you for your purchase. Hope you enjoy your bonus surprise. Tag us in your selfies to be featured on our Instagram page. Use code," and I'm not going to put the code because that code is specifically for people who buy off the website so that they can buy again. So use code blank at checkout for something special on your next purchase. I'm going to sit that to the side. And now we can get started on actually putting the items in the package. So she ordered the pink Cross Me tote bag. She ordered a hoodie and some stunner shades. And then for her special gift, I have these handmade charm bracelets that I'm going to give her for her special gift. I try to give special gifts in all of my packaging, especially orders that are over like 20 bucks. I definitely do special gifts, and I do that because I mean, who doesn't like special gifts? And it's just another way for me to show my gratitude to you guys for spending y'all money with me, because being a small business owner is definitely not easy. There are times when I do in fact get discouraged because, you know, I'm not sure when my next sale is gonna come. Most of the time I'm only getting like one order at a time, which is okay. An order is an order, you get what I'm saying? But I can't wait until my business really takes off and starts to flourish and grow. And I'm taking you guys with me because we all got to get to the bag, period. That's why when I come up here, I don't mind showing you guys my tricks and stuff like that, because the game is supposed to be told and not sold, in my opinion. So I feel like I get my blessings when I help you guys out, because I know how I feel to, you know, try to start a business and people just be acting really funny with you for no reason. So yeah, I don't mind. And what you see me doing right now is taking my logo stickers and just putting them on the package to seal them so that they don't slip out and stuff like that. I have my hoodie already inside of the package. I had to do this off camera because the hoodie was giving me a hard time getting up in this thing. And baby, we gonna make it fit. So I had to do my finesse. Okay, I got the purse up in there, the glasses or the stunner shades per se. Let me show y'all these charm bracelets real quick, cause get into them. So y'all, in my past life, before I started doing, before I started my boutique, I began with doing charm bracelets, and these are something that I still like doing. Like that. That's so cute, right? And I don't do them quite often anymore because I think it was like a trend when people were doing them months ago. It was like a trend. You seen everybody that had on charm bracelets, but then the trend slowly kind of died. And it died like right when I was getting my feet wet. So it was like very short-lived. Then I put the stuffing paper in there like so. So when they open it up, they're like, oh my God, what's this in here? Let me see. And it's in there, you guys. I have the seal, but you know me. Oh crap, you guys, guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to put in the papers. So now I have to go get a whole nother shipping package. So give me 1 second, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Yeah, I forgot to put my branding papers in there and my thank you note. So what I ended up doing was going to get a whole nother shipping envelope It's not the padded kind, like these kind with the bubble wrap on the inside, but it still works the same. I also got this for free from the website. So yeah, I strongly encourage you guys to partake in those free shipping supplies, because you're a small business owner, even a large business owner, that's a good way to save money, and also save you time. Fragile sticker, put it on the front. Take one of my logo stickers, put it on the front, flip it over. And bam, the shipping label is on there. And this is the package, you guys. All packed up and ready to go. And if you guys made it to this part of the video, thank you guys for staying in the long haul with me. I also thank you guys for making it to the end of this video with me. The support, the love, the gratitude, all of that is appreciated, the whole nine. Like I said, y'all go check out my good sis OG Oracle. That's her main page. Her tarot page is Thrifty Tarot. I'm gonna still make sure I post it in the description box if I cannot fit it on the screen. She's a real sweet girl. Don't give my baby a hard time, y'all. And if y'all gonna go to her, let her know that Jasmine sent you. And yeah, make sure y'all comment down below any more topics that y'all want to see, and I will hop on that sometime this week. And yeah, be sure to be bold and beautiful. I love each and every one of y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.